Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem gift cards on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have received some gift cards to redeem, it's a very easy method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. For that, open up your Amazon app over here. Then you're going to go ahead and search up the product that you would like to use a gift for and add in your cart. I'm going to go ahead and type in perfume. Simply go ahead, tap on the product that you want to purchase. So simply scroll down and tap on this option of see all buying options. Tap on add to cart, and there we go. We have added our product to our cart. Now we're going to tap on our cart at the bottom. And when we will find all of our product from over here, we're going to simply go ahead and tap on proceed to check out. Then we will have all of our products listed. Now go ahead, choose your address. As soon as you do that and come to your payment method section, you will find this kind of interface where you will find the option of add a gift card, promo code, or a voucher. Tap on that little toggle, and now you will find a section where you can enter the code. Go ahead, take your gift card of yours that you have received, check out the number in the physical card of yours, and enter the code over here. Tap on continue, and your payment will be redeemed by that code, that card with that code, and then you are good to go. You will be able to redeem successfully on Amazon. That's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.